back to my channel. Today we are going to use a different attachment. It's this attachment. And then we're gonna finish with the old favorite. And this is what has given me this smooth, voluptuous blowout. And then I also washed my hair with the Head Kandy brass kissers just to get rid of the brass. It did make my hair a little bit harder to blow dry because it's so moisturized. Typically I would just wash it with the shampoo and then spray this in. So the conditioner plus this made it a little softer and a lot more to blow dry. But if you are interested in something like that, stick around. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. Okay, it is time to try that blow dryer again. And just part of my routine now is to put some eye masks on to make sure I get some extra moisture while I'm blow drying my hair. I'll have to switch the video around so you can see the beautiful snowy scene that I have outside. Look at that. Would you look at that? It's beautiful. I get to stare at this while I do my hair and makeup and work every day. Okay, we're gonna start with some third wheel heat protectant detangler. Awesome. Ugh, just sprayed it in my eye. Well, we know there's no alcohol in it, or very little, because it didn't burn my eye. We're gonna comb through that. So far, I have been really liking the blow dryer. It's pretty amazing. So we're trying a new attachment. It's like this brush looking one. So I don't know about you, but my hair holds a ton of water. Oh, look at these, they have just slipped down. But yeah, my hair holds a ton of water. So the thing that I like about this, and remember this does get really hot because you're blowing hot air out of it, but it's really good about getting the water out. And I do not like blow drying my hair. It's the least. It's snowing again. The best way to use this is to blow dry it in the opposite direction and then take it and kind of turn it to grip some hair and then pull it that way. So what it does is it is tugging on the hair and straightening it at the same time. And what I might do is, well, not what I might do, I'm going to section, now that I've kind of gotten majority of the water out of my hair, now I'm going to focus on this underneath part, which is where the really curly spot is. And then what I've noticed is that if you take this and like really get the hair latched on and then go slow, you really get some smoothing, and then you can kind of roll the ends under. And I don't know about you guys, but I really struggle with getting this underneath part dry. And so I feel like this attachment really helps get that like underneath part really dry. And I don't know if you can see, but it's pretty straight. So love that. Oh my goodness. Oh, that gets hot. Whew. But this blow dryer gives the most smoothest blow dry ever. I love it. Okay, we're done. Take it from somebody who doesn't like to blow dry their hair. This makes actually blow drying your hair fun. It gives it volume, it smooths it, just amazing.